What's up everybody, Dan again, stocktrades.ca. Just a really quick video today. We are going to be doing a promotion for us hitting 10,000 subscribers if we can before the new year. As I'm filming this on a Tuesday night, we sit at just under 8,000. I think we just pushed out a video, so we'll probably break that 8,000 mark. But if we get to 10,000 subscribers before December 31st, 2020, we will give away 5 premium subscriptions. A premium subscription is worth $250 a year. So essentially, if we hit 10K by December 31st, we're gonna give away $1,250 in premium memberships. Even better, for every 500 additional subscribers, we're going to tack on a premium subscription. So if we get to 10,500, we'll give away an extra 1. If we get to 12,000, we'll tack on 4. It all depends on you guys, how fast you share the channel, how fast you tell people who watch the channel that aren't subscribed to subscribe now. And more importantly, you want to be subscribed, because if we do hit that 10K before December 31st, I'm going to publish a video just like I did with our 5,000 subscriber video. And the way you're going to be eligible to win the premium membership is to simply drop a comment on that video. It will be a very limited time that the commenting is open. So you want to be subscribed. You want to have that notification bell on so that you get the alert when we release the contest video. You drop the comment so you got a chance to win. So again, tell everybody you know to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you at 10,000 subscribers.